Let me guess, you are me from other worlds. Yes, so why are you here? Kingpin is going to defeat you and every other Spider-Man. Then he will rule the world. We need to stop that from happening. But I defeated him already. That was only temporary.
I heard you discussing my plan, so now I will start my plan. Alright, you win. Congrats.
Thanks?
Did you defeat him? I give up on fighting a hero I cannot defeat. I'll focus my attention on Spider-Man.